The fact that we've got some data, such as files from the city to tell us where bike routes are, means that we can jump in and start to build some things that leverage built-in functionality, really, to Google Maps. So I put this one together, this little file here, that just says, hey, I want to use a Google Map. I want to be able to create it. Here's where it is. This is the end of the JavaScript here. Here I am with a little bit of HTML that says this is the size of the map. And I'm saying this is the ID of the HTML element. I actually create the map here in my JavaScript that says get element by ID. And then there's that name of that ID. And there are a couple of cool things going on. First of all, there are some properties set up, and that's that it's going to be at the center of the universe, which is Victoria. It's a road map and a zoom and that kind of thing. But this is the cool part here. We actually have the file, the KML file from the city loaded at this spot on the web, and we need to have it as an external file. It's not here as part of our repository. You don't have it as a local file. You access it remotely. And let's see what this can do. So, I mean, I certainly, in terms of our whole repository, there's all sorts of ways in which I got to keep things synchronized. But for right now, I just want to show you. Oh, good. Okay, I already have it open up here in Atom. I can, because it's completely self-contained. I don't need anything else from our repository. As long as that file is saved, and I'll make sure that it is, I can go ahead and come on over here to a new tab and say, hey, I want to open a file that is actually saved in Atom on my machine. I called it Bike Routes, and I want to take a look at it here. And what you're going to see, although it takes a little while for me to actually focus on this, you'll see that these are actually colored lines that if you click on them, it tells you a little bit about the bikeways around Victoria. So that's a cool way to simply load in some information to a Google map. All right, stay tuned because we'll try to put it to work for us too in terms of our application to keep track of